Let's say we want to find the maximum and minimum value of 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta. So we know the sine graph, sine graph maximum value and minimum value. So you want the maximum value, this is your y equals to sine x graph. So maximum value is 1. So with the now we have 5 here, my maximum value will be equals to 5. And how do I know what is the corresponding value of theta? Is when sine theta plus 53.13 degree equals to 1. So what's the when it reaches its maximum value at 1 for the sine graph, what's the angle over here? It occurs at 90 degrees. So I know that this angle here is equal to 90 degree. So what I can do next is that theta plus 53.13 degree equals to 90 degree. Then we solve it. 90 minus 53.13. Final answer we can round off to 1 decimal place. So this is for the maximum value. So what about the minimum value? So minimum value of sine x is negative 1. So with the 5 over here, my minimum value will be equals to negative 5. So what would the value when is the sine graph is negative 1? What is the angle that it occurs? Angle here when is at the minimum value negative 1, the angle is 270 degrees. So what we'll have next is that sine theta plus 53.13 degrees equals to negative 1 is minimum value. Alright, and theta plus 53.13 degree, since I know it's 270 degree, then subtract 8, theta is 270 minus 53.13 degree, and I'll get 216.9 degree. So back to answering this question over here, where the question is has this same thing plus 2. So now can you tell what is the maximum value of this whole 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta plus 2? So it will be 5 plus 2, which is 7. And what about the minimum value? It will be negative 5. And then same thing, I add 2 and I get negative 3. So for the corresponding values of theta for both the maximum and minimum value, it will be the same as what I've gone through earlier. So that's it for here.